NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming techniques, can be applied to help make better decisions. By using NLP techniques, you can improve your decision-making process and make better choices in your personal and professional life. It's important to remember that NLP techniques are not a magic solution, but rather a set of tools that can be used to support and enhance your decision-making abilities. With practice and persistence, you can develop the skills and confidence to make better decisions and achieve your goals. It's important to note that NLP techniques are not a substitute for critical thinking or sound judgment. NLP techniques can be used as tools to help you gain new insights and perspectives on a decision, but ultimately, it's up to you to weigh the pros and cons and make the best choice based on the available information. Here are some NLP techniques that can be used for better decision-making. 1. Reframing. Reframing involves looking at a situation from a different perspective. By changing the way you think about a decision, you can gain new insights and uncover new possibilities. Reframing can help you shift from a negative mindset to a positive one and help you find new solutions to problems. 2. Anchoring. Anchoring involves creating a mental or physical anchor, such as a touch or a word, to help you access a specific state or feeling. Anchoring can be used to access positive states of mind, such as confidence or clarity, which can help you make better decisions. 3. Timelining. Timelining involves mentally projecting yourself into the future and looking back on your decision. This can help you visualize the potential consequences of your decision and help you make a more informed choice. 4. Strategy elicitation. Strategy elicitation involves breaking down a decision-making process into its component parts. This can help you identify the key steps and factors involved in making a decision and help you create a plan of action. 5. Metaphors. Metaphors can be used to help you understand a decision on a deeper level. By using metaphors, you can gain new insights and perspectives on a situation, which can help you make a more informed choice. 6. Parts integration. This technique involves identifying and reconciling conflicting parts within yourself that may be contributing to indecision. By integrating conflicting parts, you can come to a clearer understanding of what you really want and make a more aligned decision. 7. The 6-step reframe. This technique involves breaking down a problem or decision into smaller steps and using NLP techniques to reframe each step in a more positive light. This can help you shift from a negative mindset to a more positive and resourceful one and make better decisions as a result. 8. Modeling. Modeling involves studying and learning from others who have successfully made similar decisions. By modeling successful decision makers, you can learn from their strategies, behaviors, and thought processes, and apply them to your own decision-making process. 9. Perceptual positions. This technique involves looking at a decision from different perspectives, such as your own, that of another person involved, or that of an impartial observer. By examining a decision from multiple angles, you can gain new insights and make a more informed choice. 10. The swish pattern. This technique involves creating a mental image of the decision you want to make, and then replacing it with a more positive image. This can help you shift your focus from negative or limiting beliefs to more positive ones, and help you make a better decision as a result. 11. The outcome specification. This technique involves identifying the specific outcomes you want to achieve from a decision, and then using NLP techniques to create a mental blueprint for achieving those outcomes. This can help you clarify your goals and stay focused on what you want to achieve, which can lead to better decision-making. 12. Sensory acuity. Sensory acuity involves developing your ability to perceive and interpret sensory information, such as body language or tone of voice. By developing your sensory acuity, you can gain a deeper understanding of the people and situations involved in a decision, which can help you make a more informed choice. 13. Releasing limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs can hold you back from making the best decision possible. NLP techniques can be used to identify and release limiting beliefs that may be affecting your decision-making process. This can help you approach a decision with a more open and positive mindset. Remember, the most important aspect of decision-making is to trust yourself and your own judgment. NLP techniques can be a helpful tool in the decision-making process, but ultimately, you are the best judge of what is right for you.